We are going to do a walkthrough of a TECARE 60-inch twin head automatic copy shaper. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This TECARE twin head heavy-duty rotary shaper features a 60-inch diameter table. The twin spindles are powered by their own 15 horsepower motors. The vertical pneumatic clamps hold the part in place on the jig, while the cutter heads trace the template, duplicating the pattern on the part. The variable speed table rotation, equipped with a braking system with automatic timers, allows for stopping of the table and releasing the part clamp. All of the pneumatic cylinders have been rebuilt with new seal kits on this machine.